Welcome to the future of energy-efficient compressed air solutions, Kaishan Compressors. Our KRSP two-stage rotary screw compressors are engineered for unmatched energy efficiency, delivering up to 35% energy savings. Perfect for industries that demand consistent, reliable performance. Say hello to the KRSD Series, Single-Stage Direct Drive compressors. Designed for durability and cost-effectiveness, they guarantee seamless operation while cutting energy costs. From low-pressure solutions like the KRSA high-efficiency compressors to high-power rotary screw models like the KROF 132 kilowatt, Kaishan has a solution for every application. Our LMF LGCY10 by 10 and KRST series are compact yet powerful, offering unparalleled performance in a variety of industrial settings. Kaishan compressors aren't just machines, they're a commitment to a greener planet. With advanced energy-saving technology, we help you reduce costs and carbon footprints. Experience the future of compressed air technology with Kaishan. Reach out today for a consultation or a free service inspection.